Hello, my name is Niu Yuexing. I'm currently a grade 12 student in Guiyang No. 1 High School in Sino-Canadian program. I have special interest in environmental problems ever since high school, such as air pollution and natural disasters. Compared to major environmental issues such as haze and PM 2.5 pollution, which are usually caused by many different factors, I prefer finding and solving small problems in our daily life. Therefore, I would like to focus on air pollution caused by formaldehyde that each family will have to face every time they move to a new furnished house. And this is exactly the trouble that I encountered recently. Well, I just moved to a new decorated apartment. Every time I walk into the apartment, a strong smelling will burst into my nose and make me feel really uncomfortable. The reason behind is that a lot of furniture, especially those made by industrial reasons, contains formaldehyde. So what is formaldehyde? It is a colorless and flammable organic compound that gives off strong odor. It can be found in composite wood products, such as hardwood plywood and particle board, building materials and installations, household products like glues and paper, preservatives used in cosmetics and medicines, and many other resources. Exposure to exceeding amount of formaldehyde can have both short-term and long-term effect on human health. When formaldehyde present in air is exceeding 0.1 parts per million, one could experience watery eyes, burning feeling in nose and throat, and some will suffer from skin irritation. However, its long-term effect is much more serious. According to the report issued by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Secretary, formaldehyde is listed as a known human carcinogen. Therefore, reducing the level of formaldehyde in new furnished apartments is of great importance to human health. There are several proven ways to reduce the level of formaldehyde. A research carried out by Taipei National University of Technology found that photocatalytic air cleaner achieved the best performance of formaldehyde removal, followed by the ozone air cleaner and negative ion air cleaner. Activated carbon air cleaner is the worst. According to the research, under high humidity or temperature conditions, the absorbed formaldehyde on the surface of activated carbon may re-emit. Some other methods, such as using coffee and tea leaves, may have the potential ability of removing formaldehyde, but are not scientifically proven yet. I'm going to compare the ability of tea and activated carbon in terms of their absorbability. I choose tea leaves because it is very available in my hometown. Some people in China believe that tea can be used as absorbent because physically it has loose and porous structure. Chemically, it contains a range of organic acids, some of which is believed to have absorbability. In my research, I used 200 grams of tea leaves and activated carbon. I measured the concentration of formaldehyde in the air and recorded the data. And this picture shows how the concentration of formaldehyde changed over time by using tea as absorbent. As the picture shows, instead of falling down, the concentration actually increased. Activated carbon is more efficient, on the other hand, in terms of removing formaldehyde. The concentration of formaldehyde decreased significantly in the first 2 hours. However, as the time goes by, the efficiency also decreased. In conclusion, activated carbon is able to reduce the concentration of formaldehyde to some extent. However, the efficiency of removing formaldehyde decreases as activated carbon becomes saturated. Therefore, it is not advised to use activated carbon since it may not be recyclable. As for tea, it does not demonstrate any ability of removing formaldehyde from the air in this 24-hour experiment. Given longer time, it may be able to reduce the concentration of formaldehyde. Thank you for your listening.